How to enroll your device to Codeproof using Android Zero-Touch. First, head to codeproof.com, click Login in the top left, and log in with your Codeproof account. Then select Enrollment from the top menu. Next, click on Enrollment by Admin, located on the left-hand side. For the enrollment method, choose Android Zero-Touch. And finally, for the enrollment group, select the group where you want these devices to be placed. In our case, that's Android. Then, click Generate GPC Extra and copy the blob. Now, open a new tab, go to the Android Zero-Touch portal, and log in with your Google account. Click the blue Add Configuration button. For the name, enter Codeproof. For the DPC, select Codeproof MDM for Android. For the DPC extras, paste the previously copied blob. In the next 3 fields, enter your company information. The default for the custom message is, "This device is protected by Codeproof Cyber Device Manager." Then, click Add to save the configuration. Make sure to click the pencil icon and select Codeproof as the default configuration. In the Devices tab, you can see the devices added by the reseller, as well as edit their configuration or remove a device. In the audit log, you can see any changes made through the portal. Now that we've completed the configuration in the Zero-Touch portal, let's switch over to the phone. If the phone has already been previously used, you'll need to factory reset it before enrollment. This can be done by opening the Settings app, selecting System, then Reset Options, and choosing Erase All Data. If the device is brand new, you can skip this step and proceed directly to the setup process. Once the reset is complete, power on the device to begin the Zero-Touch enrollment process. During setup, you will need to connect the device to Wi-Fi so it can download the enrollment configuration from the Zero-Touch portal. Follow all the setup instructions on screen until you reach the confirmation message that says, "Device enrolled successfully." Make sure to allow Codeproof MDM to run in the background by granting it permission in the usage access settings. Congratulations, your device is now fully set up and ready to use. Now, go back to Codeproof Cyber Device Manager and click on Policy Manager in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menus on the left, select the device group where you added the new device. Here, you'll be able to view important information about the enrolled device, apply policies, and manage it remotely. If you need assistance, you can access live chat support from the bottom right corner of the dashboard. Or feel free to reach out to us directly by emailing support@codeproof.com or calling 1-866-9862-963.